Growing plants in a raised garden bed is a rewarding and efficient way to cultivate a variety of crops. To get started, choose a sunny location for your raised bed, as most plants thrive with at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Begin by selecting a suitable raised bed or constructing one using untreated wood or other safe materials. Ensure the bed is no wider than 4 feet to allow easy access to plants from both sides. Fill the bed with a high-quality soil mix, combining equal parts of garden soil, compost, and perlite or vermiculite for optimal drainage. When selecting plants, consider the specific needs of each variety, including sunlight, water, and spacing requirements. Arrange taller plants toward the back and shorter ones in the front to maximize sunlight exposure for all. Companion planting, such as combining tomatoes with basil, can enhance growth and deter pests. Regular watering is crucial for plant health. Provide consistent moisture, especially during dry periods, and consider installing a drip irrigation system for convenience. Mulching the soil surface with organic materials like straw or wood chips helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Fertilize your plants according to their specific needs. Organic options like compost or well-balanced granular fertilizers can promote healthy growth without the risk of chemical buildup. Rotate crops annually to prevent soil-borne diseases and maintain soil fertility. Monitor your garden for pests and diseases, addressing issues promptly with organic solutions when possible. Harvest crops when they reach maturity, encouraging continuous growth and ensuring a bountiful yield. By following these simple steps, you can create a thriving raised garden bed, providing a controlled environment for your plants to flourish and produce a rich harvest. Happy gardening!